Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy Learning English. Today's video is about how to avoid common mistakes when you use there is, there are. Okay? There is many books on the table. Here, there is. The subject is many books, plural noun. Plural noun always followed by there are. So instead of there is, there are. There are many books on the table. There are some water in the glass. Subject is some water, uncountable noun. Uncountable noun followed by there is. There is some water in the glass. There is a pen and two notebooks on the table. This is a multiple number of nouns. That means one countable singular noun and plural noun. Singular combination of a singular and plural noun followed by there are. So instead of is, are. There are a pen and two notebooks on the table. Is there any students in the classroom? This is one interrogative sentence. Subject is any students, plural noun. Plural noun followed by there are or are there. So as it is interrogative sentence, are there. Are there any students in the classroom? Are there any milk in the fridge? Any milk. Milk is uncountable noun. Okay, uncountable noun followed by is there. So instead of are there, is there. Is there any milk in the fridge? There are rice and vegetables in the bag. Two nouns. One is uncountable, another is countable. Okay. When the subject is the mixing of countable and uncountable noun, the structure follows the noun immediately after it. So, which is the noun here? Rice is the uncountable noun. So, as per the uncountable noun, we should use the structure there is. The same sentence I have represented here. There is vegetables and rice in the bag. Vegetables, countable, plural noun, uncountable noun. The structure follows the noun immediately after the structure, immediately after it. Okay. So, this is what vegetables plural noun. So, the structure will be are, there are. There are any chairs in the room? There is not is or are. So, we have to add is or are. So, as it any chairs, this is one negative sentence or can be one interrogative sentence. So, there are chairs plural as per the plural subject. There aren't any chairs in the room. Otherwise, are there any chairs in the room? This is how also we can do. There isn't some sugar in the jar. Some sugar isn't. This is some sugar is uncountable now. So verb is correct. There isn't. But we don't use some in negative sentences. Okay. So instead of some, that will be any. There isn't any sugar in the jar. There isn't many problems with the plan. Many problems is the subject plural noun. So plural noun followed by aren't, not isn't. So it is aren't. There aren't many problems with the plan. There are a cat under the table. A cat is a singular noun followed by singular structure. There is. Is there any issues with the solution? Is there any issues with the subject plural? So it will be are there. Okay. This is how we can use there is and there are to frame sentences. I hope you got the concept clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask question in the comments below. And I have posted videos using there is and there are. You will get the link in the description box. Thank you.